Hey guys, we're back again with some of the coolest tools we found recently. After seeing them in action, we can confidently say you'll definitely want to get your hands on them. So let's take a look at what they have to offer. Staring off with this pink, cute-looking tool, the Fantic S1 Capsule electric screwdriver. But don't go its tiny look, because this tool can handle such tasks you can't think of. This thing looks like a sleek, futuristic capsule, just 150 millimeters tall and super lightweight at 0.53 pounds. So you can toss it in your pocket or toolbox with ease. Despite its small size, it packs a punch with a 5 Newton-meter of torque and a 320 RPM brushless motor. Perfect for stuff like assembling furniture, fixing faucets, or tweaking your bike. The 850 milliamp hour battery can handle up to 400 screws on one charge and recharges via USB-C, which is super convenient. Plus, there's a 360-degree LED ring light that pops on to light up your workspace. The tool is compact, versatile, and ready for any DIY job you throw at it. Now here comes the Onetwosix Easy Strike. We won't say it's something cool, but we will definitely say it's a really practical one for all sorts of outdoor jobs. It's built to handle tasks like breaking up ice, removing floor tiles, edging lawns, or digging through tough soil and roots. The design makes these jobs less tiring, so you don't feel worn out after using it. So if you're clearing a frozen path, pulling up old tiles, or working on your yard, this tool is adaptable and gets the job done. It's a solid, all-purpose tool that's great for anyone who needs something reliable for home or DIY projects. Another small tool on our list that does big jobs. Say hello to the Metabo Tracker. It's a super useful little device for keeping track of your tools. Basically, it works with Apple's Find My network, which uses tons of Apple devices worldwide to ping your tracker's location via Bluetooth, even if it's far away. You just clip it onto your tools or a Metabo Meta box, and it's good to go. Plus, it's IP67 rated, so it can handle dust and water on a messy job site. The tracker runs on a CR2450 battery that lasts up to 3 years, and you can check the battery level in the Apple Find My app or swap it out yourself when it's low. It's got cool features too, like playing a sound to find nearby tools or sending alerts if you leave it behind. You can also register it in the Metabo app to link it to your tools and quickly check its location through the Find My app, though it works fine on its own with Apple devices. All in all, it's a straightforward way to make sure your tools don't go missing. This is your Craftsman 2-in-1 laser level and stud sensor. The laser shoots out a bright red horizontal beam up to 20 feet, and it's accurate to within 1/8 inch, which is great for keeping things perfectly straight. Plus, it levels itself automatically, so you don't have to fiddle with it, and it can even help with angled lines if you need them. It comes with a wall mount bracket and a push pin to set it up easily, though some folks say the pin leaves a slightly big hole in drywall. On the stud sensor side, it detects wood and metal studs, as well as live electrical wires through drywall up to 3/4 inch thick. And there's a handy marking channel to jot down where the studs are. It runs on 2 AA batteries and has a lifetime limited warranty, which is nice. In short, it's a compact, easy-to-use tool for indoor DIY jobs, though the stud sensor might not be as spot-on as a dedicated one. Next up, we have the new M18 10-gauge nibbler from Milwaukee. This cordless tool is all about power, precision, and getting fast. Clean cuts through 10-gauge mild steel and 12-gauge stainless steel. Thanks to the Power State brushless motor, you get consistent performance, even when cutting through thick materials. One of the standout features is its ability to make tight 2-inch radius cuts, so you can tackle those tricky radial turns with ease. The variable speed trigger and mode selection give you full control over the cutting process, while the tool-free die holder rotation allows for quick adjustments without any hassle. Plus, the integrated LED work light ensures you're always in the clear, even in dim conditions. Cleanup is a breeze too, with the included chip collection bag that keeps the mess to a minimum. So, are you working in tight spaces? Need extra mobility on the job? This Nibbler's compact design is built to give you the flexibility you need to get the job done efficiently. We know the worries of keeping your saw blades and router bits in top shape. That's why we've kept this blade and bit cleaning system on our list. This is BLADECLEAN by Microjig. This tool works with circular saw blades from 7/4 inch to 12 inches in diameter and router bits with 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 6mm, 8mm, and 12mm shanks. The system has 2 sealed wells, a big one for blades with a 13-inch, 180 grit aluminum oxide cleaning pad, and a smaller one in the lid for soaking up to 5 router bits. You just pour in a household cleaner like Simple Green, let the tools soak, and use the included magnetic handle to spin the blade against the pad. For router bits, you can use the provided wire brush or aluminum oxide discs with a rotary tool mandrel for a thorough clean. The magnetic handle keeps your hands away from sharp edges and cleaner, and the sealed wells mean you can store the solution for later without a mess. Overall, it's a solid, well-built tool that makes blade maintenance a breeze. Okay, have you heard about the Kneelit Phi 3 rolling knee pads? It's such a lifesaver for anyone who's stuck kneeling for hours, like folks installing floors, tiling, fixing cars, or tackling big DIY projects. This rolling knee chair, weighing just 6.27 kilograms, is super sturdy, holding up to 360 pounds, and it's designed to keep your knees and lower back from aching. The padded knee rests and springy Hawkins-loaded seat is comfy, so you can take breaks without hurting your joints. Plus, it's got soft polyurethane wheels that let you glide 360-degree on hard floors, soft ground, or even outdoors, and a grip system that keeps it stable when you pause. You can swap out parts like roller mounts or add chest support for extra comfort, and it's strapless, with no annoying bands digging into your legs. It folds up easily. For storage or travel, no tools are needed. So, we can say it's a smart, comfy way to make kneeling jobs absolutely painless. Metaltech Job Site Series, Drywall Stilts, a pair of practical tools for anyone working on projects like drywall installation, painting, or electrical work where you need to reach higher spots without a ladder. These stilts come in 2 adjustable models, the 18 to 30-inch version, which gives you a maximum reach of about 9 feet 3 inches, and the 24 to 40-inch version, which stretches up to 10 feet. They're made from lightweight anodized aluminum, so they're easy to move in, with each stilt weighing just 7.1 pounds for the shorter model and 8.1 pounds for the taller one. The one-piece rubber sole provides great grip and stability, while the dual spring action makes walking feel more natural, reducing the chance of losing balance. They can hold up to 225 pounds and have secure, self-locking metal buckle straps for safety. Plus, you can adjust the height in 2-inch increments, which is handy for getting the perfect fit. Wrapping up our today's list with the all-new Ryobi USB Lithium Telescoping Power Scrubber. It's lightweight, super easy to use, and built to help you tackle tough grime without all the hard scrubbing. It comes with 4 different brushes you can swap out, so it's great for cleaning your kitchen, bathroom, outdoor spaces, and more. The handle extends from 27 to 47 inches, which means you can reach tricky spots without bending or hurting your back, and the head even pivots 180 degrees to get the perfect angle. Weighing just 2.35 pounds, it's comfortable to hold, and it's water-resistant too. You can dunk it up to 3 feet underwater for up to 30 minutes. Plus, there's a handy LED light that shows green when it's charged and red when the battery's low, so you always know when it's ready to go. So that's all. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the latest and greatest tools. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.